Layn Avail University. My name's Conrad Layn. I'm sharing an article that I left below in the description about Allstate covering Avail affiliated vehicles. So the cool thing about this Avail platform is not only it's passive, they have one of the best insurance companies that I think they're definitely on my top list of some of the best companies is Allstate. Right there's State Farm. There's a few companies I really like I can name about 20 of them, but I'm not going to do that now, that I really like above all other insurance companies. And I've been insurance licensed for over 9 years, so I've been well acquainted with quite a bit of them. But Allstate's one of the top on my list that have really time and time from my personal experience have been a great company for a lot of people, and I like them. So that's the cool thing about this is Avail is it backs your car with an Allstate policy for those that borrow your car, and so it protects people that rent the car from you. They have an Allstate policy that covers them, and when we share our car to people that and allow them to borrow it on the Avail platform, our car is covered by Allstate, which is pretty cool. Gives me more peace of mind. And look at this. Relax, you're covered. I'm definitely relaxed. Avail has you covered every trip you take and every time you share. The purpose of this video and the reason I recorded it, I just wanted to show proof that Avail is covered by Allstate. Let me scroll back up. Look at that. Car sharing insurance protected by Allstate, Avail car sharing. Look at that to the left. Avail protected by Allstate. They're letting you know. It's pretty transparent. Protected at every step. Whether you're borrowing a car or sharing your own, your vehicle is protected by Avail's Allstate insurance policy. Before a trip, from the second a car is left with us, Avail's Allstate policy kicks in. Our lot staff inspect and document all incoming cars to ensure we hand each car back to its owners in the same condition it was dropped off in. I totally vouch for that. When I dropped off my car, they did a really thorough job of checking the front, the back, the bottom, the undercarriage of the car, inside the car, checking for all if there's any dents. And I brought the car, it was clean, it was in immaculate condition. They totally thanked me and said I made their job easy. I highly recommend you do that too. Bring your car to them clean and looking good, so that the more clean it is, the harder it is for someone to bring your car back dirty. And another tip, always, even though they do an excellent job in taking pictures from my personal experience and from the first impression I got from them, I still did my own thing and actually recorded my video. I made a video and I took pictures and I emailed it to myself. So highly recommend you do that. So even though Avail is great at taking pictures and documenting, do your best as soon as the first day you drop off your car, take pictures so that when you get your car back, if you find any extra dents or anything else there, you can actually talk to them and negotiate and get that taken care of by the Allstate policy. Anyways, I digress. During a trip, all trips are covered by up to a $1 million in liability coverage at no additional cost to borrowers. Pretty cool, right? After a trip, we inspect every car again to make sure it's running smoothly and there's no physical damage. If there's no noticeable damage, we file a claim on the owner's behalf and coordinate repairs. Owners never pay anything in the rare case their car is damaged. Isn't that wonderful? It's right there, people. I left the article below directly from Avail stating this. Owners never pay anything in the rare case their car is damaged. And I've been renting cars for over 3 years now, just all together. I'm on a Turo platform, a power host on there, no arrogance attended. For those that know what a power host is, it just means I got to a certain ranking where I basically hit the metrics and I'm succeeding on Turo, no arrogance intended. I'm doing quite well on hire car. I actually was on hire car before Turo, and now I'm on Avail. And it's very rare. I don't like accidents, but when they happen, they're terrible. But for the most part, they're very rare. So that is true. But the cool thing about this, owners never pay anything in the rare case their car is damaged. That's phenomenal. Let that sink in, people. This is a phenomenal company. It's really passive to the next level. Not only they'll take care of your claims if your car goes through some type of damage, you don't have to pay anything if your car does get damaged, and they take care of it, the maintenance, etc. Look at this. Avail owners are required to have physical damage coverage on their personal policy unless participating in Avail Plus, which I am participating in Avail Plus. Owners are still responsible for meeting their state's minimum liability coverage laws. What if something unexpected happens? When the unexpected comes up, we facilitate the entire claims process and keep you updated on what happens next, which I signed up for this. So they take care of your you have the option to allow Avail to completely facilitate and take care of if something happens to your car and is damaged, or your car sustains some type of damage while it's in their possession, while they're renting it out. They take care of all of that. Now, if you want to step in and take care of it, you can find a body shop, you can negotiate, you can talk to the insurance company. I don't want to do that. So I signed to actually allow them to facilitate everything so that I don't have to be bothered if my car gets destroyed, total loss, or what's stolen, whatever the case is. They take care of that. I don't have to. I don't want to have to deal with that. But up to you. What if I'm in an accident while driving a Avail car? So this is what it looks like for borrowers as well. It's good to know this stuff. Call Avail 24/7, roadside assistance. We pick up the Avail car and get you to a safe location. Pretty cool. We help you file a claim. We facilitate the entire process. If you're not at fault, there's never any deductible. This is for the borrower, the person that rents for it, basically for the renter. But still good to understand that they facilitate everything. And when you sign up and opt them in to want to take care of everything, they take care of it for you. It's still good to see how up here, all this up here was for the owners. This down here is for the renters. So still good to understand what they get. And this is pretty sweet. Look at this. We get you back on the road. We set you up with a new vehicle so you can get back to your trip. It's pretty cool. They're really like 24/7. They handle the claims for the renters and for us, the owners. I love this. This is pretty awesome. Look at this. We call you. We will reach out to you and let you know how and where your car is damaged. If you notice undocumented damage, call Avail support. We contact Allstate. We work with Allstate to document the accident and file an insurance claim so that your car can get repaired. We will provide you with an alternative car if you need it. It's pretty cool. Nothing else for me to say except I like that I'm on Avail now. This is awesome. This is the third platform I'm on, and Avail, protected by Allstate, as it stipulates in states right in the top left. They made it pretty clear, people. They're backed by Allstate, and it's pretty cool. I feel like I'm definitely in good hands. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. If you want any one-on-one coaching, feel free to join Layn University. If you want one-on-one coaching and perspective and opinions and speak with me directly, I'm more than happy to help. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Conrad Layn out. Peace.